Are you in a relationship?
Okay. Okay, my favorite going like
your crush. You want you
when I like
when you see his movies.
Okay, movies.
Yes.
If it can I pick Korean movies? Jujunpyo.
I don't know.
I look at you and it's easy to see you are that someone I've been trying to meet.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching me, I'm Sharon Izibili. So this is, if you've watched my other video that I made with my cousin sitting beside me, you would know his name, you would know him. But if you haven't, please, I'll link the video because it's very funny and interesting. Please go watch that video. I'm going to link it in my description box. The how well do you know me tag, so he will introduce himself and then we'll start the video.
Okay, my name is Linus.
Thank you very much for subscribing, but if you haven't, please subscribe and don't make this video your last. So I'm going to be asking him some questions and he's going to try to answer them. Mind you, I've not seen my cousin for a long time now, so even if he does not get a lot of them, I won't really be angry with him, but let's see how many he can get. So number one question is, what do you think I would wear when I want to go out? Like, let's say I want to put on some like footwear. Maybe I want to put on heels, either heels or sneakers. What do you think I will go out with?
I think you prefer sneakers. You like something easy on you. Because heels, most ladies find it kind of complex or complicated. I don't know. That's why you see them when they put on heels. They have their slippers in their bag, so when they get their change, I know. Most ladies, they like comfort, so even when they are on heels, they'll take their easy wear along with them, their slippers and all. So I believe that sneakers is easy to wear, so I believe that's what you likely go out with.
Seriously, I prefer to go out with something that I would not want to be uncomfortable with. I prefer to be cool and comfortable when I go outside. So he got that one right. I would love to go out with a sneaker other than wearing heels. I don't think I own up to 2 heels, maybe just 1. Then the next question is, what is my favorite color?
I'll go with pink.
Why would you go with pink?
Because it's a lady's color.
No, not every girl likes pink.
Okay, let's say that's difficult. I don't think you like red.
Okay, let me be sincere. I love pink, but not every lady likes pink. Pink is my favorite color, by the way, but I have friends that they say they like black, and they are girls.
Wow, black. That's strange.
Okay, so he got that one. He has got 2 questions so far. So the third question on my list is, where was I born?
I think somewhere in the
No, I was not born there.
Serious.
I wasn't. I can't believe you don't know where I was born. Like, seriously, like.
Serious.
I was not born in Ewemi.
Is it in Bini? I don't think it's.
Are you trying to guess or you are sure?
I'm not too sure, but from what I can recall, I think it's somewhere in Eastern Southeast.
Oh my God.
Eastern Southeast.
No, guys, he just failed that one. I was born in Edo State, Benin City. I was not born in Ewe. No. Yes, here now.
Sure.
So I don't know how he failed that one, but I don't know, like.
Maybe we'll have to go and confirm that one.
Don't worry, my birth certificate I'll show you before you go.
Okay.
So the 4th question on the list is, what if someone tells you that I was arrested, what will I be arrested for?
I think you'll be arrested for I don't know how to put this now. Okay, maybe taking selfie in a in a roadside or something like that.
Oh my god.
Maybe doing a video or something on the road or in a traffic kind of. That's 'cause I know you are kind of close to your phone or something like that. Social
that's
media.
True. That's true. Like, I love taking selfies outdoor. So, question, are we number 4 or number 5? Well, let me just say the question. Another question is, what kind of a person am I? Am I a trouser and top person, or a gown, someone that will put on gown to go out, like for outings, or someone that will put on skirts? What is my go-to outfit when going out?
I think it's trouser, or let's just say trouser or gown. Like, no, let me say trouser.
Gown.
I say trouser. I say trouser.
My social media does not even have a picture of me wearing. I don't think it has a picture of me wearing gown.
I'll say trouser. I'll go with trouser.
Okay.
Like, I'm putting on.
These questions are very easy. Like, I didn't have time to prepare these questions because I knew he was coming around, so I wanted to make this video with him. So I just quickly, started, thinking of the videos I can do when it comes here. So I didn't really think of this question. Like, I didn't prepare very well. If not, he won't be getting any of them. So anyway, let me give you a chance to ask me 2 questions. I know it's about how well you know me, but I will want you to ask me 2 questions that I will answer about you.
About me?
Yes.
First, I'll say, okay, what's my favorite color?
Favorite color?
Yeah.
Are you like every guy that loves a particular color, or you are different?
My favorite.
No,
It's what I like now.
Okay. Your favorite color? I know guys like blue, so I'll go with blue.
Yeah, correct.
Correct.
Yeah, correct.
Wow.
Blue is the color. Blue is the color.
Wow, that's nice. Okay, so the other question.
Okay. Do you think I'm the kind that go out, like outing, maybe occasion, club, all those kind of? How do you view me? How do you see me, kind of?
Okay, I think you are a calm guy. You are kind of like principled and disciplined. So you're not the type that would on a normal day like go clubbing. Okay, if maybe someone invites you for a wedding party or a social gathering during the day, fine, I think you would go. But I don't see you as someone that will go clubbing or like go out unnecessarily like that, or go to a place where you start dancing. I don't know if I'm right.
Partially, you're correct. I don't really go out to club or like, but not that when I'm invited I won't go. I like going, but that's if maybe I'm going in a group or someone invited, I'm going with someone, but on my own I won't just wake up and say I'm going to a club. But I like all those social gatherings.
Okay. Yeah.
So that's it. You are correct, actually.
So how would you describe me? Like, how do you see me? Just describe me with 3 words. What are the 3 words you use in describing me?
I'll say jovial, social, and easygoing or something like easygoing.
So I don't look for trouble. I'm not troublesome.
I've never really seen you.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Wow, guys.
I don't see you as a troublemaker.
Guys, I'm blushing right now. Like, so you guys see, I'm a very easygoing person. I don't look for trouble. I don't know how to be in people's faces and all of that. So the next question is, how many schools did I go to? Secondary school, primary school, except uni. Like, primary school, secondary school, how many did I go to? Not uni.
I hope I can remember. Okay, primary school, I'll say I think 2. While secondary school,
like, how many secondary schools do you think I went to?
I don't think you changed so many schools. so many secondary school. I'll say
I
go
changed though. I changed. Yes.
2 or 3. I know it's not more than that.
So okay, 2 primary schools.
2 primary school, then why for secondary? I'll say 3 mass.
Okay, you kind of missed primary school. I changed primary school like 3 times. Then you see that was close. Then secondary just 2.
Yeah, I wanted to say 2. I said 2 initially. So
you remember the time that I was wearing check? That was the first. That was in junior secondary. Then I now went to senior secondary where I was wearing that green and white. So
I know it's 2. I wanted to say 2 for the 2.
Yes.
So I was close.
So guys, he got that one wrong too. So okay. Oh yeah.
Number 1 question. Okay, who is your celebrity crush?
Oh.
Male. Yeah.
For me, okay, my favorite going like
your crush. When you see his movies,
okay, movies.
Yes.
If can I pick Korean movies? Jumpio.
I don't know. Nigerian celebrities.
Oh, Nigerian celebrities. Okay. Okay. See, and there's this guy. I might not really know his name, like I don't remember his name, but he. Okay, let me see. Let me try to remember his name.
Can also pick.
Celebrity, the male actor that I like so much. I love his acting. He makes it so real. Is Eddie Watson. Guys, I'll be putting his picture on the screen so you guys can see him and know the person I'm talking about. His name is Eddie Watson. He acts I think his movies, there are a lot of movies he has acted.
Second question. If you see a guy like you admire, you have a crush on him, maybe secretly, but you don't know if if he feels the same for you, so how will you like let him know? How will you draw his attention?
Okay.
Will you go directly to him and say, guy, I'm crushing on you? So how will you try to let him
but you know that in this your question, my Nigerian side has to come outside, because we are not in the Western world that ladies normally walk up to guys and tell them how they feel, you understand?
But things have changed.
I know, but okay, you see, and there's some certain guys that you would actually walk up to and they will understand, be matured about it, and be like, okay, this person summed up courage to come to me and express her feelings. So let me just, if I like her, I would, reciprocate back, but if I don't, I would not make her really feel bad. But there's some persons that are, not matured. They are very, very, insensitive, that they would want to, downgrade you, even to mock you with it. Tell their friends about it and they'll start laughing at you. So because of that, most ladies would not want to even attempt expressing themselves. So for me, I prefer to use body language. If I know, okay, I like this person and maybe I'm crushing on this person, I would use body language. And if it's someone that thinks about it and that thinks fast and understand, then he will be like, okay, and then I'll make the first move. But say I will now walk up to a man and say, okay, I like you, this is that. No. I can never, like, an Asian girl can never fall your hand. So I have 2 questions for you. Question number 1 is, and please don't lie, say the truth. Say the truth. Okay, number 1 question is, do you have a girlfriend?
Okay, if I have a girl, that's friends that are female girl.
No.
That's a girl. I have so many.
No.